Airshow smoke on. Madison Parsons. Victory salute. She did it.
As Dave Brown leads that.
And she is right about the age of the girls that did walk during the 20s and 30s. Let's come over here. Incredible, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, great job, Joe. Good job. Give her a hand, folks. Madison Parsons, her first wing walk in public. Of course, she did it lots of times in practice. And the line is right over here. Niñitos, ven acá, por favor. We'll get our staff photographer over here to record the event. And here comes Vernon also to record the event.